Let student, last one is when the object is at focus. Okay, you see, first we need to make a mirror and then we need to make a straight line. All right, and then what we have to do, we have to make a focus. Okay, and we have to make curvature. Okay, and then I don't think this curvature is like, it should be quite far. Okay, because we are zooming it, we are going nearer and nearer. You see, in the first case, like focus and curvature, we drew it somewhere nearby because our object was very far, and every time we are bringing our object near, we are zooming it. Okay, and when we are zooming it, what happens, the thing which is near also, it turns, it tends to go far, isn't it? Here also same thing is happening. All right. Now you see, first when the object is at focus, first ray of light will be going from here, right? And obviously it will, since this is parallel to the principal axis, then obviously it will be passing through the focus. Okay, and now second ray of light is going upward in the same manner. Okay, and then again after going upward, it will strike here, and then again it will come back through the same path, and then see, it is going and going, it is going down and down, it is going up and up, like this. Now they will meet somewhere at infinity. Okay, here they meet somewhere at the point itself, at the point where we can trace, but here this ray of light will meet, but at infinity. We exactly don't know where this ray of light will meet. Okay, that means we will write image will be formed at infinity. Okay, here where was the image is forming? Image was forming beyond the center of curvature. Here the image was forming in the center of curvature. Okay, here the image was forming between center of curvature and focus, but here image is forming beyond, somewhere in the infinity. We don't know that. Okay, but these ray of light will meet, hopefully they will be meeting, but where they will be meeting, we don't know that. Okay, that is the thing. And the nature of image will be real. Okay, and it will be inverted, and then it will be highly like magnified, you can tell. It will be highly magnified. Okay, because see, it will be forming, we don't know where it will go and meet. That means it will obviously be magnified like this. Okay.